silver, a symbol of elegance and wealth for thousands of years. Treasured for trade and prosperity, this metal isn't just precious. It's the element shaping our future. Today, silver is everywhere, driving innovation. Its unmatched conductivity fuels everything, from our phones to artificial intelligence. Silver's antibacterial nature purifies water and makes it indispensable in healthcare, healing wounds, enhancing implants, even helping fight cancer through cutting-edge nanoparticles. Silver's high conductivity drives rapid EV charging, while its thermal stability ensures electric systems stay cool under pressure. In aerospace, automotive, and rail, silver-coated parts mean reliability in the toughest conditions. And in consumer wearables like fitness trackers, silver sensors deliver accurate health metrics with every beep. As we charge toward net zero, silver's reflective, energy-efficient properties make it essential for solar energy, powering our sustainable future. Silver's versatility powers the future of tech, and nations rich in it become the leaders of innovation. In the mineral-rich lands of Rajasthan, India is charting a path toward self-reliance in silver production. At Sindeshwar Khurd and Rampura Agucha, home to the world's largest underground silver and zinc operations, producing silver as the byproduct of zinc and lead mining. These mines contribute to the entire primary silver production of India. The production here not only makes India self-sufficient, but also propels us to be the global technology leader. Silver is more than just a metal. It's a catalyst for progress, a resource securing India's sustainable future.